G'day, 30th of July. Been pretty wet here, rainy. Grey skies now, getting more rain today. These are broccoli, which are finished now, and we've sort of let them go to flower. So the bees are happy. Got some flowers. And still, it's middle of winter and we're still picking tomatoes over here. Here we've got cauliflowers, they haven't formed up yet on this Dutch bucket system, and here cabbages which are forming up heads now. So there's a row of cabbages, about five along there, and one over there. So, and then the tomatoes. So we've had that much rain. I think this is a spring dead spot. They're sort of coming to the end of their life. These guys, we're still picking tomatoes, plenty of tomatoes right throughout, so that's cool. And celery here, we just keep picking the outer stems off it. Not a lot happening in the pipe systems. I haven't been doing any replanting because I've been busy. But so lettuces, this is coriander, looking pretty good. More lettuces over here. Over on this pot system here, I've got sugar snap peas on the top, and they're starting to go a bit yellow because there's so much rain. The nutrient buckets are full of water. I'll just keep topping up the nutrients, but I'm not doing it properly as often as I could. Being busy with work. But you can see how much rain we've had. All the concrete's green with algae. Still the silver beet's going really well. And then over here, the carrots and radishes and baby carrots, ball carrots, radishes, and more baby carrots are here. I'll lift this lid up and we'll have a look. So the lid's to keep the majority of the rain out, and these carrots at the back, they're probably ready to pick now. Well, they are. We've been eating them. This one's plugged in all the way. I can feel it. So we got baby carrots, and then these are radishes. I think video before I showed how I sowed the seeds here. So we've got radishes here. This one's split from the rain, but it's still good to eat. And then this is another crop of baby carrots that I sowed. And this is a flood and drain bed. And there's more radishes, heaps of radishes through here. My wife's been snacking on them. And carrots in the back, baby carrots. So that's cool. So that works really well. Thank you.